Surprises always excite me. And this time, a special Filipina is in for a surprise summer treat.
Filipina na nandito ngayon at gusto ko siyang tawagin si Teacher Karina. Hindi niya alam. Itong party na to ay para sa kanya. Teacher Karina, halika.
Meet Teacher Karina. She has dedicated her life trying to make a difference in the lives of the less fortunate children at the Asociación de Damas Filipinas.
Nabigyan ko ako. Hindi ko po alam na pagkagawa sa akin.
As a simple token of appreciation for all her years of hard work, Proudly Filipina planned a surprise treat for Teacher Karina and those closest to her, the children.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Jollibee sa ibigay na surprise party para po sa akin at sa mga bata ng Damas Pilipinas. Masayang-masaya po ako, lalo na po ang mga bata na pinagsamang saya at sarap. Kaya ang kwapong period ay lumaking matalino.
As Teacher Karina begins her day, the merry sound of children's laughter fills the air. For the past 45 years, her life has been revolving around disadvantaged children, orphans, abandoned and neglected, temporarily housed at the Asociación de Damas Filipinas. And in spite of her ordinary daily tasks, Teacher Karina finds her work full of joy.
Karina, what can you say is beautiful about your job? Dito po talaga pag nagtrabaho po kayo dito talagang magiging masaya kayo kasama yung mga bata at hindi po yata tatanda kayo kung kasama ang mga bata. So, masaya-masaya po ako dito. Kaya hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin po ako. I love the kids. You love the kids. Kahit na po mapupuyit, pero kailangan po pasensya para sa kanila.
Even as a young woman, Teacher Karina already possessed a special fondness for children. It was her childhood dream to be a teacher and play a significant role in shaping young minds. But life, with its twists and turns, didn't allow her to finish her college education. For her to follow her dream, Teacher Karina became a worker at Asociación de Damas at a young age of 17.
Bakit po kayo pumasok sa ganitong klaseng trabaho? Pumasok po ako dito sapagkat nalaman ko pong sa mga bata ito, medyo mahilig po ako sa mga bata, so nagkaroon po yata ng bakante ng time na yun, may nakapagsabi sa akin. So nag-apply po ako dito.
For Teacher Karina, teaching these children and being a part of their young lives fills her heart with joy and keeps her forever young at heart. When a higher-paying job was offered to her, she politely but firmly declined and did not even give it a second thought. For her, the work she does at the orphanage is her life's wealth.
What are some of the greatest gifts na natanggap mo mula sa mga bata? Naging masunurin po sila sa akin. At saka, yung medyo naturuan ko po sila. Yung tututunan po nila yung mga tinuturo ko sa klase. Nakakagbasa na po sila pag alis po nila dito, some of these kids.
In 1998, tragedy struck. A fire broke out in the 78-year-old orphanage building. At minsan, may isang tragedya na nangyari dito sa Damas. Nasunog na ang Damas.
Oo.
Ano nangyari sa mga panahon na yun? Nandito ka ba noon? At ano po ang nangyari?
Yung sunog po, nakita ko po yung yung nangyari dito sa Damas, Pilipinas na sunog. So talaga pong